In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link a page inside a Notion table. By the end, you'll know how to connect related pages to your database so everything stays organized and easy to access. Start by opening the Notion table where you want to add the page link. If you don't already have a table, create a new database by selecting Table. If you want each row to open its own page, simply click the title column and enter a name. Every row in a Notion database is already its own page, so you can click any row to open it and add notes, images, checklists, or other content. To link another existing page, add a new property by clicking the plus at the end of your columns and choose Relation. Select the database that contains the page you want to link, then click Create Relation. Now click inside the Relation column for any row and choose the page you want to connect. You can link one page or multiple pages depending on your database settings. If you simply want a clickable link to another page in your workspace, type @ followed by the page name inside a cell or inside the page itself, then select it from the list. Notion will create a link that opens that page instantly. You can update or remove linked pages anytime by clicking the Relation field or editing the page mention. That's how to link a page in a table in Notion. Thanks for watching.